I am connected to the internet, but when I go there, it's saying connected, no internet. I've had my Xiaomi TV stick for like 2 years now, and it's been like since last year that I keep having this connection issues. It's saying that I am connected to the internet, but I don't have internet connection. So let me show you how you can fix that. I usually turn off the TV from the socket behind it. There's like a switch there. So at night, I turn off the TV and the Xiaomi TV stick, and I turn it off from the power source. It's currently in Tagalog. But if I go here in the setting, it's saying that I am connected to the internet. But when I go there, it's saying connected, no internet. However, I do have internet. So let me show you what we can do to fix this. So first, we'll have to go to mga kagustuhan sa device or device setting, whatever that will be. So go to date and time. And set the date. So today is March 27, 2024. And set the time. It's 11:37 a.m. And then this is my time zone. So if I exit back, I'll just change the language real quick to English. And then, okay, so the setting that we'll have to go to is device preferences. And when we go back to network and internet, it's now saying connected. We now have internet. So we've had internet all along. It's just that the date and time was not set properly. I tried to go to, let's say, HBO. Let's play one. Let's say Wonka. Let me start this movie. Alright, it's now playing. So if you have Xiaomi TV stick as well, I recommend to not turn off the device from the power source. Hope this helps. Bye.